With triple digits in the forecast, Alma Mendoza is loading her car with plenty of water for protesters on Thursday, the day Arizona's controversial immigration law is scheduled to go into effect. Mendoza came to the U.S. 20 years ago and now works as a housekeeper. She's a legal resident, but many of her friends and neighbors are not.
We are humans and we have rights, and that's what a piece of paper that don't make me any different to anyone that is illegal.
Just 2 days before the measure requiring police to question people about their immigration status if they're detained for another reason goes into effect, law enforcement raided a Phoenix business and took 5 suspected undocumented workers into custody.
I'm very happy doing this because we just made 5 vacancies for U.S. citizens to be hired. So I think we're doing something for the economy too.
The business owner said the workers had forged documents, so he didn't know they were illegal. He also said he understands why they didn't go through the system to become legal.
You go to the embassy, you say, I want to go to America to make a better life, and they say, great, you've got 8 years. Well, you can't support a family in that time. So I understand the need to come to a better place to better your own life.
The ACLU claims innocent people will be unfairly targeted by the law.
30% of the residents of Arizona are Latino, and that's a pretty big target, and we feel like many of these people who are U.S. citizens and legal permanent residents will be wrongfully detained, they will be stopped and questioned about their status.
Arizona's leading law enforcement union disputes the notion that the law amounts to racial profiling.
Because we are a border state, we have adopted many of the cultural positives from all these different cultures. Those who believe that Arizona police officers will now return racist are wrong. And we find it extremely offensive that they would even consider that as a possibility.
This is a human rights zone.
Mendoza is a domestic violence survivor and worries that the new law will prevent her already distrusting community from calling police.
How many more women they're gonna get killed because they're gonna be afraid to call the cops? How many more children they're gonna be sexual assault because they're gonna be afraid to call the cops?
There is a chance a judge could issue a temporary injunction before Thursday, delaying the implementation of the new law. But even if that happens, protest organizers say the demonstrations will continue as scheduled. Haven Daley, The Associated Press, Phoenix.